Looking for the best camera sensor cleaning kit but not sure which one to choose? With so many options available, finding the right one can be confusing. That's why we've done the research and picked the top 5 best camera sensor cleaning kit based on quality, features, and overall performance. For more details on each product, check the links in the description below. Now, let's get started with number 5. Number 5. The K&F CONCEPT 24mm full-frame sensor cleaning swab is a reliable and effective cleaning solution. Its standout feature is the gentle cleaning liquid that is colorless and non-irritating. This product is ideal for photographers who want a safe and easy way to clean their camera sensor. I'd say it's a great choice for anyone who wants a hassle-free cleaning experience. Number 4. The 14-in-1 camera lens cleaning kit is a fantastic option for photographers who want a wide range of cleaning tools. Its standout feature is the variety of accessories included, such as a lens blower, detergent, and microfiber cloths. This product is perfect for photographers who want to keep their camera and lenses clean and in good condition. I'd recommend it for its convenience and effectiveness. Number 3. The K&F CONCEPT 25:1 Professional Camera Cleaning Kit is a comprehensive solution for photographers. Its standout feature is the variety of cleaning tools included, such as sensor cleaning swabs, a camera air blower, and a cleaning pen. This product is ideal for serious photographers who want a reliable and thorough cleaning solution for their DSLR cameras. I'd say it's a great choice for anyone who wants to keep their camera in top condition. Number 2. The K&F CONCEPT 4-in-1 Camera Lens Cleaning Kit is a great all-in-one solution. Its standout feature is the combination of a lens cleaning pen, air blower, and microfiber cloth. This product is perfect for photographers who want a convenient and comprehensive cleaning kit for their DSLR cameras. I'd recommend it for its versatility and ease of use. Number 1. This is the K&F CONCEPT 24mm full-frame sensor cleaning swab. Its standout feature is the flexible grip rod that allows for safe and close proximity to the sensor. This product is ideal for photographers who want a reliable cleaning solution for their DSLR cameras. I'd say it's a great choice if you're looking for a simple and effective way to clean your camera sensor. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check the description below for more details. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.